Hey guys, what's up? It's Danny. You know, the owner, I guess if you want to call it, the owner of Horology Slop. Anyway, I'm making this quick video just to say thank you to everybody who subscribed. This channel has already got 100 subscribers. I'm surprised that we already have 100. It's only been around not even a year, and I'm already at 100 subscribers. But yeah, I appreciate all the love and support. Love the hobby, obviously. Currently wearing the Q Timex quartz, but I wanted to show you something real quick. I'm in Kansas City. I saw this on the highway. I had to pull off. I have to show you guys. Look above me. That's my Grail watch, everybody. That is the Omega Aquaterra, obviously on bracelet. That watch is like $8,000, I think, after tax. I have this weird belief that something like this is meant to be like, I can see myself with that watch one of these days. I can't believe it's on a billboard in my city. I mean, I know the watch is new, but that specific watch on a billboard in my city is crazy. It's meant to be, guys. Maybe someday. So I'm gonna claim it. I'm gonna claim it as mine one of these days. That's pretty cool. Anyway, thank you guys so much for the support and the love and all that stuff. And we're just getting started. So here's to many more videos, many more subscribers, and lots more fun in this hobby of ours. Yeah, guys, take care. I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.